Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable the notification light for Telegram stories. If those flashing alerts are distracting or unnecessary, this simple setting will help you take full control of your notifications. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. This is either the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon, depending on your version of the app. Tap on it to continue. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your customization options are located, including notifications, privacy, and appearance. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to manage alerts for messages, groups, calls, and also Telegram stories. Now, find and tap on Stories. This is the area specifically dedicated to controlling how story notifications behave on your device. Once you're inside the Stories settings, tap on More Options. This will open additional customization features that are not visible in the main menu. Here, look for the light color option and tap on it. This setting controls the notification LED light that appears when you receive story updates. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Disabled option. Tap on Disabled, and that's it. The notification light for Telegram stories is now turned off. From now on, you'll still receive story notifications if enabled, but without the blinking light interrupting you. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you prefer a cleaner and less distracting notification experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tutorials to keep your app fully optimized.